AudioEye's logo animates across the screen. Diana Metcalf, the Senior Director of Product at AudioEye, appears at her desk in the AudioEye office. She is a Caucasian woman with short, pink hair wearing a black and white sweater.
Hi, I'm Diana from AudioEye, a web accessibility software company that offers subscription services. AudioEye believes in equal access for all. That's why we've developed our patented technology to help enable people with disabilities to use websites with ease and independence. By creating inclusive web experiences, we unlock new revenue opportunities for our partners and help mitigate litigation risk for businesses of all shapes and sizes.
A black screen slides up with a web browser displaying a travel booking website. 3 additional web browsers with different sites slide into view. The final browser scales up, covering the other 3 browsers behind it, and an accessibility icon animates on top of the site.
Whether you're looking to improve accessibility of a single site or manage thousands of websites for different clients, AudioEye can do the heavy lifting on your path to creating a more compliant and accessible website.
The browser slides down, revealing Diana.
Today, I'll show you how to use AudioEye to help make your website more accessible and help address certain fundamental laws and standards, such as the Americans with Disabilities Act and the Web Content Accessibility Guidelines.
A bulleted list of Diana's talking points.
We'll cover AudioEye's automated tests and fixes, active monitoring, issue reporting, on-site accessibility tools, and legal support. So without further ado, let's dive in.
A browser with AudioEye's site scanner tool slides up. Diana clicks on the input URL field and types www.yourwebsite.com and clicks a button labeled Free Scan.
We'll start by scanning my web page with the AudioEye site scanner to get my accessibility compliance score.
Her scan results appear showing her accessibility compliance score of 72 out of 100.
And to see some of the top issues that appear on my page.
She clicks the Start Free Trial button and the AudioEye dashboard appears.
To get a more comprehensive look at my entire site, I can start a free trial. Once I install AudioEye, my new score is displayed within my dashboard.
The browser zooms in, revealing her new site accessibility score of 98 out of 100. A purple box animates on to emphasize this,
reflecting the large suite of fixes that are being applied automatically to the issues that were found.
She scrolls down, revealing the top fixes applied to site, issues fixed by severity, and issues found by fix type sections. A purple box highlights the 3 sections one by one, beginning with the top fixes applied to site section. The 3 top fixes are for accessible name doesn't match visible text, link doesn't have a name, and navigation landmarks don't have unique names. The purple box moves to the issues fixed by severity section, 97.6% of which are of high severity, 1.5% medium severity, and 0.8% low severity. Then it moves to the issues found by fix type section, in which 92.7% have been resolved and 7.3% need a custom fix.
With AudioEye's active monitoring, I'm able to see real-time data highlighting which accessibility issues occur most frequently, who they affect, and how many issues were resolved for me.
She scrolls up to the top of the dashboard. The browser zooms into the issues found by fix type section. She clicks the resolved field, and the issue reporting dashboard appears.
AudioEye also shows which issues we identified that require manual solutions and offers both in-product guidance and human support to address them.
The dashboard shows 4 issues on her website. The issues are displayed in a table, where they are sorted by count, severity, and the type of fix. Diana clicks through each classification to sort the issues.
Now let's explore the issue reporting dashboard. Here you can drill into details and prioritize issues by impact on the end user, based on their frequency and severity. You can also track which issues AudioEye has fixed or alleviated.
A purple box appears over the fixed type classification.
And which issues require custom solutions to resolve.
She clicks the Share Report button and a dialog box pops up where she copies the link to the issue reporting dashboard.
You can also share these reports with people in your organization or clients that you manage, making it easy to review the work that's being done by AudioEye and identify follow-up actions.
Now a furniture store's website called Sapphires appears. On the bottom right corner of the site is AudioEye's accessibility page scanner, which shows this site's accessibility score of 94 out of 100. It also shows 5 of the issues found on the website along with their severity and frequency. Diana clicks on the heading Isn't Marked Issue. Each instance of the issue is highlighted on the page with a purple box, and the scanner provides detailed information about each one. Diana clicks the right arrow to cycle through the corresponding issues that are found on the page, and the website jumps to the areas where they appear.
If you want to see where these issues show up directly on your website, you can use the on-site scanner tool, which highlights each occurrence and shows how it's being addressed.
She closes the page scanner tool. She clicks AudioEye's accessibility icon, and the visual toolkit pops up.
When AudioEye is active on a website, all visitors gain access to the visual toolkit.
She cycles through several text size options to increase the text size on the Sapphires website. On the visual toolkit, she clicks a button labeled Page Structure. Then she clicks Headings and goes down a list of the website's headings, clicking one by one, which advances the Sapphires website downwards through the page.
An application that allows users to personalize their experience by changing visual elements and navigating the page structure.
She clicks the Help button on the visual toolkit. The Help menu loads. She selects Help Desk and fills out a form describing the issue she's encountered on the Sapphires site.
It also provides an easy way to report accessibility issues. For any grievances reported through the 24/7 help desk, AudioEye applies custom fixes on your behalf at no cost.
The browser slides down and reveals Diana back at her desk.
Many companies turn to AudioEye to provide technical support after receiving a lawsuit or demand letter or out of fear of being sued. We're here to help you navigate the legal landscape and set you on the path of ongoing compliance.
The browser slides up with the issue reporting dashboard on screen. She selects Star Plan from the menu options on the left, the Star Plan page with supporting text explaining how to use the Star Plan. She clicks the Generate Star Plan button. That button disappears and reveals a Download PDF button which she then clicks. A PDF icon flies out of the button and off the browser when she clicks.
AudioEye's sustainable testing and remediation plan is a key component of our legal support, verifying that you're consciously making a real and ongoing effort to make your site more accessible. Whether you're new to accessibility, looking for a different solution, or need immediate support, we'll meet you where you are and help you provide accessible and inclusive experiences to all of your customers at all times. Start your free trial to see how we can help you today.
A browser slides up as the URL https://www.audioeye.com/get-started-free types into the search field. A button pops up in the middle of the browser that reads Start Free 14-Day Trial and a cursor flies onto the browser and clicks the button.